The world is shifting rapidly. If you are not prepared, this will completely wipe you out.
Let's talk about the speed with which we are watching this market deteriorate.
What is about to happen is 5 times bigger than what happened in 2007. Watch this video till the end, because this information has the power to put you in position to be capitalizing instead of wiping you out. After this, there will be no middle class. But for those that prepare, this is going to be the greatest time in human history.
The U.S. commercial real estate market is getting even worse. Some buildings down by as much as 90% in value.
Now, if you think it doesn't affect you, keep watching, because it really does.
Elon Musk said that commercial real estate will be a very serious problem later this year.
For instance, Brookfield Corporation, one of the largest asset managers in the world, think of them as the Canadian version of BlackRock, just defaulted on a $161 million mortgage for office buildings around Washington, D.C.
Are you starting to connect the dots?
And what's especially scary to me about this is the size of the commercial real estate market.
Commercial real estate is a $20 trillion sector globally.
So commercial real estate, like this right here next to me, is actually being wiped out as we speak right now, as everything is moving online. All banks own massive amounts of commercial real estate, which means they both are going down together. So when the majority of the banks default because of commercial real estate, mutual funds, pension funds, stock market, and all financial markets will take a massive hit.
The Silicon Valley Bank was something, nothing compared to what's going to happen.
It's going to be at least as bad as 0809.
With more than $1 trillion market in the US, we're talking about giant size losses.
These giant losses will have a worldwide impact.
It all started from one thing, the pandemic. Basically, the pandemic accelerated work from home. In 2018, less than 6% of people worked remote. Now, 26% do. And guess what? 66% of people now work at least some time remote.
Not only that these events will create financial blood in the streets, it will funnel massive amounts of people onto being 100% online. And if these people don't have an online business or any online marketing skills, life will become extremely hard. If I can give you a piece of advice, prepare yourself right now. Don't wait. Start your online business today and position yourself to capitalize on one of the greatest wealth transfers that will ever happen in human history. If you don't know how to start or where to start, get back to the person who sent you this video and join us. We literally have the hottest online opportunity on the planet with over 500,000 new members in less than 7 months, expecting to be around 2 million members within the next 6 months. So the timing for you is perfect. No monthly obligations to buy or sell any products. You ain't got no starter pack to buy, no business volume quotas, no inventory to stack up your garage, and no recruiting necessary. Plus, customer retention is around 90% and get paid up to 80% commission. Don't wait after the commercial real estate defaults. Prepare yourself for the transition right now.